Alright you guys, this is Backcountry Bliss. We are back and we are going to do a unboxing of a new hunting blind that we got. It is the Vevor, what is it, 160 degree or whatever it is. Anyway, it's the see-through tent everybody likes, so we're going to unbox it and put it together and let y'all watch it. Woo! Got it. Y'all, just by looking at this already, it's a nice blind, I can tell. Oh, hang on a minute. And we even get a free little seat that goes in there. How cool.
That'll hold you.
Yeah, my husband says it'll just hold me, so that's fine. We got some better chairs to go in there anyway. I just don't want it to break anything.
Stand on the
I've got it, yeah. There it goes. There. Y'all, this thing is big. Turn the door around so we can shovel them. And I'm going to bring them inside a little too. Alright. So this side is where the door is right here. It unzips. Maybe at the bottom. Usually that's where they start at all the time.
Yeah, it's a hard door.
So this is like a fancy door right here. You come in here. Just close it behind you like that, and you don't have to zip it if you don't want to, but y'all, This thing is nice. I'm about to bring y'all inside. I'm gonna bring y'all inside and let y'all see how neat this looks. This is the door we're going in. All right. But look at it. You can see all the way through it. It's got 3 walls that you can see through, and then the back obviously is dark, so that way you can sit back there and they can't see you, but you can slide these little window things up. Let's see, it's got a little piece right here. So you'll slide that down, slide that up, slide this piece down. See, look, then you can see, you can open that side if you need to, and that side does it as well. But this is very roomy in here. I really like this tent. I'm so excited about using it this deer season. But if y'all were looking for a tent, a hunting blind, I call these things tents all the time. If y'all are looking for a hunting blind, I suggest y'all look these up. I got this on Amazon. They have different ones that you can purchase, but I really like this one right here. I love it. Okay, it's got a little seat. This looks like it would be more a kiddie seat or something. Let's see. Yeah, that ain't too comfy. I don't know about sitting on that for a long time. We got better chairs anyway, but that's a nice free gift you can use.
You can use it as a little table.
Yeah. And it comes with these orange reflector things, and what you do is, hold it a minute. Let me get this. I'll put it on this side. You just put these on the corners. Like that right there, it's like a little safety thing. So you can put it on all 4 corners, or if you don't want them on there, you ain't got to put them on there. It's just whatever you want to do. But yes, I really like this blind. Let's walk around and look at the outside of it. I really like how this one's made. It's got the little parts right here. You can put, anchor it down so the wind don't blow it away. But I really like this blind. I was just gonna unbox it and let y'all see. We hadn't done a video in a minute, so y'all go check these out on Amazon. They're a great investment. And we've missed you guys. We're gonna start getting back on here. It's getting warmer weather, so we're gonna get back on here, start doing some camping and all that stuff and bring y'all along. So until next time, y'all have a good day.